On the 10th day of lean, Mr. Lean Squad gave to me one ab and arm challenge that only takes 5 minutes and makes you feel amazing. Welcome back to day 10 of the 12 days of leanness. You should be very proud 10 times over because you have made it this far, and that is no small feat. You have taken the initiative to get healthier, to stay active this holiday season, and for that, I am very proud, and you should be very proud of yourself. Now, with that in mind, if you are not officially part of the Lean Squad, the 6-week lean challenge, or the 90-day lean plan, make sure you click the link below that I have tagged. It is a free recipe starter kit along with a workout to give you a taste of leanness and hopefully kickstart your lean journey heading into 2020. My personal goal is to help more people than ever before transform their bodies and their mental health for life. And it all starts with a sustainable way of exercising and fueling your body. That is truly what I believe, and I can test. I've tested out and written every single workout. I make sure it is tailored to you as well as the recipes. So make sure you check that out if you haven't already done so. Otherwise, we're gonna hop into this 5-minute ab challenge. And again, like every workout, if something is too tough, do not worry, there will be an alternative. Remember, this is just the start of your lean journey, so get excited. We're gonna go 25 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. A whole lot of leanness is gonna be happening in the core and the arms, and we're gonna have another lean workout in the bag, day 10 of leanness. So follow me, we're starting with plank reaches up first. So feet just outside your shoulder, you're gonna be reaching out in front, and make sure you focus on those hips staying nice and square. You don't wanna be rocking side to side, otherwise you wanna go wider base, or you can go from your knees until you progress forward. We are starting in 3, sing with me, 2, 1. It is lean time. So, reaching out in front. Whew. I just finished another day of my 6-week lean challenge. It's a great way to cap it off. Whew. Little extra leantivity. 5 seconds to go. I'm so proud of everyone else who is smashing their lean journeys. Whew, rest. Next up is leg circles. We're gonna go one way, okay? So it's like a 3/4 circle, I guess. I'm no mathematician, but that's what I think it is. 2, 1, 1, 2. I guess it's a full circle. 3, there we go. So I got my hands on my side. Really working my core now. If you want to make this a little easier, bend your knees. 10 seconds. Yeah, and on the note of my 6-week lean challenge, just wanted to give you an update. 3, for me personally. 2, 1, it has been a game changer having my own plan to follow. Next up is extended plank. So we're going to be on our hands here, and we're actually going to drive our knees forward and out, okay? So they're coming up towards our elbow. 2, 1, just like that, crunching those obliques. Yeah, it's been a game changer for me, having a plan, really progressing, so I'm challenging myself every single time to be better in the gym, and my strength has transformed, my excitement for my workouts. It's been really exciting stuff, and 2, 1, it's been even more exciting to do it with so many different squatties. Okay, next up is a plank, and we're gonna go hip dips, okay? So we're gonna go hips side to side. 3, 2, 1. And you can see here again, we're working the obliques, but the great thing about a plank is our arms and shoulders are still working. And if you haven't checked out either of the plans, the Lean Squad, make sure you do click the link below. I promise you, it'll get you excited about what the future has in store. 2, 1, and if you're already part of the squad, well, you should be very proud because you're doing this workout on top of your lean journey, which is amazing. Smashing it. We're gonna do side plank with the hip raise. 2, 1, so just hip up, and again, you can see this is where I'm crunching. 20 seconds to go. Whew. It's getting hot for my hat here. Come on. 10 seconds. Pushing that hip up. Keeping everything nice and square. And again, you can do this on your knee. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Well, other side. You gotta even out the leanness. And I hope also, guys, everyone is setting goals for 2020, because I know my personal opinion is I'm excited to get better. Obviously, Brody and I are expecting twins too. 1, but I'm looking so forward to that and the challenge of staying on top of my health and really being as energized and healthy as humanly possible so I can give back to the twins and Brody as much as possible. And it all starts with our health. 2, 1. Wow. Whew. All right, guys, we're getting pretty close here. Okay, feet together. So we're gonna have feet together here. We're actually gonna come up and touch our toes. 3, 2, 1. So it's a sit up, touch that toe, sit up, touch that toe with the opposite hand. So it's a slight twist. Promise you lots of core, as well as some arms. Remember too, no matter what your fitness level is, it doesn't matter. It's all about you. Never compare yourself to anyone else too. 1, it all starts with you. And that's what I also love. This is the last round, by the way. We're going shoulder tap, so feet about shoulder width apart, hands shoulder width apart, driving into the ground, elbows locked, and we're gonna touch our opposite shoulder, keeping those hips nice and square, just like this. Yeah, it's all about you. That's what I love about helping each squatty, is making the perfect plan for them, really encouraging them to do their best and challenge their body in the way that I think is best. I mean, that was our rugby philosophy call. Keep pushing to the end. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, 5 minutes, done and dusted. But just to finish on that note, that is the philosophy I've taken into Lean Squad, is to truly make the best plan for the individual, because I do believe every individual is different, and also it all starts with the food we eat. So making sure you enjoy that meal plan. It's not a crash diet, it is a lifestyle. And just like you finishing this workout is part of your life now. 10 days in, way to go, Squares. I will see you back here next episode. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And by the way, tomorrow I have an incredible recipe coming. Well, I'm gonna tell you now, and a little secret. It is a turkey taco bowl lean prep. So you're gonna wanna save this recipe, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you back here next episode.